You can be kind, but not weak. You can be patient, but not without limits. Every time you stay silent, every time you forgive, every time you go against yourself, you lose respect. Not just hers, everyone's. Most of all, your own. She'll say it was an accident. But accidents don't happen twice. It's not a mistake, it's a choice. And you're the test. A test to see how far she can push. And if you accept it, you've already signed up for more. The world doesn't respect a man who tolerates disrespect. And neither will you. Respect isn't given. It isn't asked for. It's taken. And it shows. In your standards, in your moves, in your stance. You are not silence. You are the verdict. You are the law. Manet veritas. Truth doesn't need likes.